Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this awesome 2019 Honda Accord Sport that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This Accord Sport is no exception. 2019 is a great year for the Accord because in 2018 it got a complete ground-up redesign. Better than ever. Lots of automotive praise for the Accord from the automotive press. Specifically Car and Driver magazine. Car and Driver magazines had the Honda Accord. Car and Driver has their annual top 10 best car list, and I think it's 32 years, it's definitely over 30 years consecutively. Every year the Honda Accord is always on Car and Driver's top 10 best car list, and even more so, they were exceptionally impressed when they redesigned the Accord. And it's come a long way. In fact, my first car was a Honda Accord. Mine was an '88 Honda Accord, and this thing is like a Lexus LS400 compared to my '88 Accord. The Accord has come so far. It's almost like an Acura as far as the fit and finish and refinement goes. It's a really beautiful vehicle. The sport version of the Accord has a little bit more sporty styling on the inside and outside. And it definitely has some sporty performance of 250 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder engine, 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. I think it's like 5.5 seconds. Very impressive for a family sedan, but definitely fun to drive as well, and really nice to look at. This is not a boring vanilla car for sure. This has a lot of pizzazz to it on the inside and the outside. You have these nice comfortable seats. You have kind of like this synthetic leather leatherette on the sides with a cloth in the center with nice contrast stitching. We have a 10-speed automatic transmission to maximize performance efficiency. You have a push button gear selector, very easy to use. Park, reverse, neutral, and drive. You have a drive mode selector, electronic parking brake, dual zone auto climate control, heated front seats, great infotainment system. We also have a rear parking camera. You can also change views for different parking situations. That one's a good one for parallel parking because you can see the bumper, so you can get really close without having to bump into someone else's bumper and scuff up your or someone else's bumper. Also, we have this nice LCD screen here. So on the right side, the speedometer is analog, but on the left side, the gauge cluster is an LCD screen, so it's configurable. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we have. We have adaptive cruise control. We have lane keep assist, which will keep you centered in your lane on the highway, following gentle bends. Really nice, great driver's assistance feature. We have a moonroof. We also have steering wheel paddle shifters, aluminum pedals. I believe that comes with the sport package. Really nice color combination, and white on charcoal. White is such an easy color to take care of. Also, the sport package, you get a unique wheel and tire package, a little bit more of aggressive, sporty look. Interior space is also very generous, a lot bigger than my '88 Accord. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. You can see I have a ton of legroom, headroom back here. Maybe if you're thinking about moonlighting as a Uber or Lyft driver, this would be a great vehicle to do it in, with such great rear seat accommodations. Nice little trunk lid spoiler. Also, I believe that comes with the sport package. Generously sized trunk, and the rear seats also fold down. We have tinted windows. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to pretty much anywhere in Washington and Oregon. We can put this on our car hauler. We can tow it to you. We can print up all the paperwork. So we have our mobile delivery service. This beautiful Accord Sport can be all yours without leaving the neighborhood. Look at that front end styling on the Accord. They did a great job. Very, very nice looking vehicle indeed. And the grand finale is this fantastic turbocharged four-cylinder engine. Smooth, very fuel efficient, and also very powerful. You'll have sports car level performance and acceleration with this Accord Sport, with all the practicality of an everyday family sedan. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.